everyone, we're back again with another recipe. This one is surprise cookies. Kristina's favorite, I think, because when you bite into it, there's a little surprise inside. We won't tell you yet.
That's a surprise.
That's a surprise. Okay, so first thing you want to do is preset your oven to 350. And we're going to bake it in there. We're going to spray the pans with excellent. Okay, now the nice thing about this recipe is it's very easy, just like the last one. It uses a cake mix. So we're going to start with
one package of this super moist devil's food cake.
Betty Crocker.
There's a little bit of Italian on set.
Excellent. And then you need a 1/4 cup of oil. Excellent job on that. And then we're going to put in the eggs. We need 2 eggs. So can you, let me get a bowl again so we don't make the mistake of getting any shells in there. Go ahead. Excellent. Good technique.
Thanks. I learned from the best.
Thanks. Okay, pour it in. No shells?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. You want to, yep.
Following the same package instructions?
No, it does not follow the same recipe as on the box tape.
So throw out the box.
That's right. Don't look at that.
It's not necessary.
Okay, and then we make sure our hands are nice and clean, because we're going to be working with the dough. So we're going to take some nice Hershey's cookies and cream drops. Go ahead.
Drops them on the floor.
Okay, take a little bit of dough, and you're going to take 1 Hershey's drop and put it in the middle, and then put it on the and they go in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes. So we'll set the alarm for 7 and see if they're ready.
Kristina has become a mime.
Okay, we're back, and the cookies have been cooking for 10 minutes because 7 minutes was not enough. So let's take them out. Let's see. Whoa, those look good. And they should begin to have maybe some little cracks on them. That's how you
looking
know
kind of poofy.
Kind of ready. Okay, so ooh, delicious. But these cookies are not ready yet, right? Because we want to decorate them with some frosting. That always looks good. So we do want to drizzle some frosting on, but we're going to do that when they've cooled off. Okay, so we've let the cookies cool for quite a bit, and now we're ready to make our topping.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You gonna come help
I'm
out
so
over
excited.
here?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Woo. So we're going to put some chocolate bits. We want 2 tablespoons of chocolate bits in one of those bowls.
Okay.
then we want 1 teaspoon of oil in each of those.
Teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
I think I can manage that.
And then while we're doing that, we want to take the scissors, because we're going to make 2 little bags to drizzle.
DIY pastry bag, if you will.
Exactly.
They don't work as well, but they do just fine. Gets on your hands often.
Okay, you're going to grab a spoon.
Yep.
Stir it up and see what it is. Okay.
Yum, 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 yum. Scrumdiddlyumptious.
So you're going to take this and you're going to scooch it out because it's going to come out this way, right here.
Yep.
Right? You're just going to drizzle a little. Like that. Okay, go ahead.
Oh god, it's just...
You try. I will put the white chocolate chips.
You're just as good as Mom.
We actually have to put them in the fridge for a little bit so that it.
Oh, to harden up.
kidding me?
So we're putting them in the
Vulgar.
fridge. Okay, so we just took them out of the fridge. They've been cooling, and now we're going to put some on a plate, and we're going to take a bite because don't they look
It
delicious?
looks so yummy.
Yum.
Cheers.
Cheers. Delicious.
Oh,
I haven't reached my
delicious.
surprise yet.
That's my surprise.
Mm.
Worth it.
Great.
Great. Was that fun?
Oh, so fun.
So we'll join you next time.
Mm-hmm.